But once you're in there though, you can't go uphill, so.
Can't go uphill anyway.
Oh, okay. Yeah. See what you can do, eh? Yeah. Which means you've got to put a lot of lock on there, yeah. Welcome back. The intention of this video is to get that on that, and along the way I'll have to tidy up a few loose ends on the boat and do a few jobs that'll are part of the boat being able to live on the trailer. Let's get into it. It's not finished, but I tidied up the electrical panel. That's the first time I've had it all the panels in like that. My next mission is to make the toe point that goes here. It'd be like a D ring, and I can also lift up the boat with it, but it also attaches the boat to the trailer. And there it is, half a day's work from scraps of stainless steel that I have had lying around for a long time. Now I can lift the boat. I've been meaning to water blast the trailer. You can see why. After they galvanized it, somehow they got some grit, and I should have done this so much sooner, because I can see that the steel grit is rusted together, so hopefully I can water blast it off. I was wondering why my water blaster wasn't going well. Not well at all. So I thought it's time I check the filter, and what do I find? It's pretty hard for you to see probably, but there's a little lizard up in there. Some breaking news, guys. I've been saving for a DJI Action 6 Osmo camera, and I bought it a couple of days ago, and I've just been learning all the settings on it, and it's been going well. And also I've been able to connect my mini mic to it, so which I couldn't do to my phone camera. So the sound when I'm some distance from the camera will be greatly improved. The camera's not going to compensate completely for my camera abilities, but we're giving it a go. As you can see, my camera phone was getting a bit beaten up. I've had this tripod since the mid-80s, and it didn't get a lot of any use for a long time, but I used it for some 16mm filming when I sailed up to the islands in the mid-80s. I'm going to have to lift the keel before I lift the boat and secure it up there. It's not easy to get in here because the jockey wheel at the front of the trailer there has got to go around the keel, so the trailer's got to come in at an angle, and I've got to take it out again because it's going to hit the scaffolding there. Very close to going under without taking that bunk off there. It's just rubbing the bunk. We're going to make it. And there it is. And this is where the jockey wheel hits the lifting gear. But I have a plan for that. I'll just do what I did last time. I was just lowering down the front of the boat and I just got the fright of my life. See if you can see what's wrong with this picture. You might have spotted it straight away, but this is not a good idea, because when I was lowering this chain, it came up tight here and it actually hung up on, you know, you try and do it, repeat it, it won't really happen, but it came up tight here. I was lowering down and the line started going a bit slack and I thought, what on earth is going on? That's not right. I was starting to suspect my come along up there. Then the boat jumped down about maybe, I don't know, 40 mil. And because it had released over here and I hadn't noticed that this was getting tighter and tighter. So we're nearly down on the trailer. I can't remember the exact measurement of the bulb to the cross member there. She's well and truly on the trailer, guys. I lowered the keel down. If you sight along the top of the keel there, it's touch and go whether it'll make it out of the shed. Looks like the winches and the clutches are fine. I'm going to have lunch now and look into this further, but there is a chance I might have to let the tyres down a little bit to get the trailer out of the shed. Houston, we have our first problem, and that keel's higher, but the wheels are very close to going over that little ledge down there. I might take that board off that's stopping it right now. To be honest, I'm so excited about moving the boat. I don't know if I'll take it fully out of the shed yet, and I don't know whether it's actually possible. I just had to remove a board up the top there to get the winch under it, and the keel's looking higher, but you can see here the winch post is all on. As you can see, we're vertically challenged. So what I might have to do is let down the tyres. As you can see, it's what we call in engineering, looks like an interference fit. At the moment, it's going to rub, but those rear wheels will drop off that ledge, and there'll be a bit more weight on the front suspension, so it might be all the clearance that's required. But once the boat's outside the shed and dropped off that ledge, it's getting a bit late in the day for that maybe. So this could be a mission for tomorrow, but good to see. I think I'll get it out of the shed without having to remove a bit of the shed. As I mentioned in the previous video, sometimes you've just got to know when to stop. So even though I'd love to get the trailer out and see if it goes out, it's I normally knock off in about half an hour. So if anything goes wrong, the boat's stuck outside. If it gets outside, the only way to get it back in after that probably is to take it out far enough, get the car in front of it, back it down the drive a bit, go up the main drive, which is really steep, especially for not a very big car for this boat, then back it into the shed. So I'm feeling that I might call on my friend, see if he's free tomorrow to give me a hand and have some fun moving the boat around. A lot to do before I really should take it out of the shed. But sometimes I can't help myself. But today I will. I'll do the sensible thing. Now, let's see if I can even pull it back into the shed. Oh, it's just the winch touching, I think. Speaking of momentum, yeah, no problem. She's back in the shed. The sensible thing to do. The boat's not that long, it's just I'm a slow walker. How strong are you feeling today, Brent?
Oh, very good.
Oh, very good.
Is a cup of tea promise or something? The keel's the highest bit?
Yeah. You want to hear a slight rub as the winch goes on. Yeah. It's probably going quite easily. There we go. This will give you a wagon of fright. Moving for the first time. Yeah, I think just try and keep it over that side of the drive. What you have to be really careful on from this drive is not to get into the loose stuff.
Yes.
So you can't get onto the grass.
Yeah.
So even if you have to have another go,
Yeah.
better to straighten up now and just see how it goes, I think. But keep your wheels on the concrete. But the boat's on the grass, so that's a problem actually. It's just that it could get away on you. You should keep your, yeah. Straighten up now, straighten up now. And don't come this way anymore. You're just gonna have to go straight now so you don't go on the grass. But I think you're gonna might have to have a second go. Maybe if you try turning hard now. Yeah, real hard. Okay, stop. Now, the only thing for it really now is to go up again, but go up far enough so the boat's right on the concrete. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, you went off the metal, man. Off the concrete. Wow.
Forward right.
It's what, sorry?
Forward right.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, good, yeah. The main thing is not to be on the grass, but you're going to have to come back again by the looks of it. Unless you can go forward like that, try it if you like. But once you're in there though, you can't go uphill, so.
Can't go uphill anyway.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I've got to get that boat over now.
Yeah. See what you can do, eh?
Which is take it.
Yeah. Which means you've got to put a lot of lock on there, yeah. Straighten up now. Straighten up now. Otherwise you'll be on the grass and then she could take off. Okay, straighten up now. Well, you can get, yeah. No, more, yeah. Hold it. I think would be happier with the Subaru giving that a go. Yeah, it's good. It's 3 litres and quite torquey. Well, maybe a bit more torquey. So I think if we unhook here, and I'll get the Subaru away.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm gonna have to just go up as far as I can and do it incrementally.
Yeah, we did move over a bit.
Yeah.
What we were doing.
Yeah. But I'm not going to be able to go far with it like this.
Window down.
Can't. It's broken. Chains on.
Chains on. Good to go.
Okay. I'm going to need you in the front, I think.
Right, just stay on the concrete, do you?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I can go up. I can try going up a bit again to re-center maybe. What do you reckon?
Pretty good.
Okay.
You've got it.
I didn't realise we're so angled. Okay.
Front wheel out the other way.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. One bit at a time.
Yes.
I'll go forward a bit, mate. I don't think I've got any choice. I need to go up more, I think, to get the boat over further, because it's pushing uphill to try and get it over from there. That's more better, eh? I'm just trying to work with the drive too. Oh, it looks okay from here. Oh, what's happening? Oh, the front's right off, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to go right on the grass then. Can you push the car over a bit if you see if you can push it over? Going to need some alignment for the shed too. Yep, another go, eh?
Yeah.
We're not going to hit the grinder or anything, are we?
I can go down the back, have a look.
Okay. Far out. I'm glad I didn't.
Develop techniques.
Wow, yeah. Sometimes I heat up the drive with a huge load of metal.
Yes.
And you just got to keep going and get it right.
Yes.
But I've been coming down and got my wheels on the grass before, when it's dry even, and it's not good. How do you feel about that, Brent?
Very nice.
Good,
Job done.
Good entertainment for the day. Right, want to lift up the hill.
Yes.
The function of the shed's really different now. It's going to take a bit of getting used to, but hopefully it won't be long in here. So it all went quite well in the end. It could have gone really wrong pulling the boat up the hill there. You only have to get your wheels in the wet grass there, and you could imagine sliding down with it. So it was a bit hairy, but we didn't have much choice. The Subaru at the end of the day was better at pulling the boat up the hill. It could take off up the hill. The X-Trail, it couldn't move. So that was a bit of a tricky situation, having to change vehicles with the boat near the bottom of that drive there. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.